Is it safe to put detergent directly in the washer?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic for all of us who do our own laundry. Is it safe to put detergent directly in the washer without using a detergent dispenser or laundry pod? This is a common question that comes up often, and today, we're going to clear up any doubts you might have. So, let's get started.
What does the detergent do?
Detergent plays a crucial role in the washing process. It helps to remove dirt, stains, and odors from our clothes, leaving them fresh and clean. Detergents contain special chemicals that break down dirt and stains, allowing them to be washed away with water. But how and where we add detergent can affect its efficiency.
What are detergent dispensers and laundry pods?
Before we delve into the main question, let's understand what detergent dispensers and laundry pods are. Detergent dispensers are specific compartments in your washing machine where you can pour liquid or powder detergent. They are designed to release detergent at the optimal time during the wash cycle for maximum cleaning effectiveness. Laundry pods, on the other hand, are small packets that contain a pre-measured amount of detergent, often along with other cleaning agents. They are designed to dissolve in water, releasing their contents at the right time.
Is it safe to put detergent directly in the washer?
Now, to the main question, can you put detergent directly into the washer? The short answer is yes, but it may not be optimal. It won't damage your washing machine or clothes, but it might affect the cleaning performance. Most washing machines are designed to use detergent that's placed in the dispenser. This way, the machine can control when the detergent is released into the drum, making it more effective at cleaning your clothes. Putting detergent directly into the drum with your clothes can mean it gets rinsed away before it has a chance to do its job properly. It can also lead to uneven distribution, which means some clothes might not get cleaned properly. In the case of laundry pods, they should always be placed in the drum before the clothes. Placing them on top of the clothes may prevent them from dissolving and working properly. In conclusion, while it's safe to put detergent directly into the washer, it may not provide the best cleaning results. Using the detergent dispenser or correctly placing your laundry pods in the drum will ensure optimal cleaning performance. We hope this video has cleared up any doubts about how and where to put detergent in your washer. Happy Laundry Day, everyone!